to event 2. We've got the grade 8 bolts, all been marked, same as Kirill's, and obviously
show them all the way around.
yeah, it's only for the snaps really, but
yeah, well, never mind.
Doesn't matter, yeah.
And then the ends.
And then the ends. Where's the end there? 6 marks.
You need to show me.
6 marks.
Wait. Okay.
Okay. So you've got to bend it to 40 degrees, and then you can move on to the next one, etc., etc. The wraps are touching. And those wraps touching on the 7-inch and under unbraced bends, and obviously snaps.
Right.
Yeah, just looking at that video. We've got 2 videos running just in case I don't know, camera.
It's because David's a dinosaur and he thinks that the phone might suddenly explode halfway through the film.
Yeah, you never know. That one, just leave that one there. Number 2. That's if we get this far. One might be sufficient. It's a hard feet, reverse bending a grade 8, sorry. The second one.
The third one, because you're going to need that.
Yeah.
Wrap it nicely, because then if you don't touch it, I can use it for my training.
And the third one.
Lovely.
Right.
Okay. Just let me get everything set up. Oh,
So,
nothing. Everything's good.
oh, has the tree come off?
Yeah, it's fine. I've only got no hands, so I'll just hold it. It's not a
It's
problem.
alright. Just keep that in. And
It really didn't matter. I could.
yeah, it'd been really uncomfortable. Pass it here.
That video probably doesn't matter anyway.
No, unless the camera does burn out. Ooh dear.
She's being taken back in, I think.
Is that in? Picture?
I'll sort it now.
All good?
Perfect. Thanks.
You got 5 minutes, you can, if you do, please click the thing.
I will. Make sure you go past where you think you need to go.
Yeah, I'll do that. You're still out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or
Yeah.
want back or?
No, it's fine.
I think this was my first one. I'll go with this one. What?
Nothing. Makes no difference. Tell me when you're ready. Big hits, okay? Come on, get psyched up. You look a bit too friendly. Tell me when you're ready.
Soon.
Okay?
Okay. 3,
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that's well then.
Come on.
Definitely goes about 50, 60 degrees.
Okay, that was 13 seconds, so re-chalk.
Yeah.
Come on, David. Is that in?
I think so.
One more hit? It's not worth going on to the next one if that's not there. Okay?
Yeah.
Don't put those any further away because they're going out of the camera. Put them by you. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Give yourself a minute.
Yeah, well.
It's only 90 seconds gone. It's pretty impressive.
Yes. Reverse has felt really good recently. Might be an ass getting this third one.
Or you get something on it. 2 minutes gone.
Getting 3 good hits, then onto a jade.
Let's go.
Now?
Yeah, why not? Come on. Go on, David.
It might be it.
Yeah, that's gone. That's gone. That's great. Well
I think
done.
that's about 20 degrees.
Okay. It's 2 minutes 50 anyway.
Yeah, bring it down, we'll put it on. I'll move them all over there. First one, second one, third.
That's it.
Third one.
Mm-hmm.
Second one.
It's nice.
They're well in, aren't they?
Yeah. It's just the second one. It was worth doing an extra hit.
I think this one's even further, about
Yeah.
60 degrees.
Bloody hell. It's nice.
And then 90 degrees. Okay. And there's we're roughly at the 80 now. So I'll do the first one. So I'll obviously move it to, there's 40 degrees. It's clearly beyond that. Let's see where it is at.
You went a bit overboard on that one.
Yeah, well, I didn't want to. There you go, it's at that one, which is
111.3.
which is 79? No, 60.
68.7.
Yeah, 68.7, the first one. Second one a little bit less.
One, 2, 6.
126, which comes in at 54 degrees. And then the third one, I think it's about here, about 20. Let's have a look. A bit further. There you go. That's that one now, it looks like.
20.7.
20.7.
Good. Well done.
That's a good one. Now on to the third and final event. Thank you very much.